Dear students, today we will learn two programmings. We will not do it in lab maybe now, or we will do it in lab directly, these programs. I am just explaining you two programs as we have already discussed about RLC and RRC, that is rotate left and rotate right. So we will use that particular instruction and we will see one of the way to means how to use these instructions, and we will do the program. So if it is visible to you that the screen, I am telling you the proper way to write a program. Before that, I am telling you the name of the program. The first program is packing of two data, and the second program is unpacking of two data. So what is now packing is? We all know that packing means some things are outside a bag or something are splitted in different direction. We have to gather it at a one position. That is packing. And unpacking means the things are in one position. We have to take it out from that position and unpack it or scatter it from a single position. That is the meaning of packing and unpacking in our real life. The same meaning almost is there in the programming. Packing means maybe you are having two values, maybe it is 03 in one register and 07 in one register. Then if you pack these two values, 03 and 07, you have to combine the value and the final value will be 37. This means packing. And just opposite, unpacking means you are having 37 in a particular register and you have to unpack it as 03 and 07. This is the meaning of packing and unpacking. So let's go for the program of packing. So let's start with the program of packing. In the program of packing, what we will do, we will pack two data. How? Check in this part. Maybe we are having two particular data in two registers. Now, as you all know that RLC or RRC is a logic operation, and in this operation we need accumulator. So we have to save the data which I have to rotate in accumulator. Before that, I am explaining you the thing. 03 means what? If I write 0000 0011 and 07 means 0000 then 0111. Now if I have to make this 37, I can rotate this 3 4 times. If I rotate this value 4 times in left, what will happen? This part 4 times means this will come 4 here, 4 times left, this will come again 4 times left, this will come 4 times left, and this will come 4 times left. So what will happen? That means this value will come to, this value will shifted 4 position left. That means this value will come first and this value will go this side. So the total thing will become, after 4 times rotation, the value will become 0011 then 0000. So now from 3 it is becoming 30, and now if I add this with 3, it will become 37. So accordingly, what will be my program? I have to go for MVI A, 03 hex. Then I will go for MVI any register, maybe it is V, 07 hex. Then I will rotate this 3 4 times. You may say that, ma'am, we can use a loop of 4. But RLC is a 1 byte instruction, and whenever you are using a JNZ, it itself become a 3 byte instruction. So using RLC once, then decreasing the counter, then using JNZ, it will become a large thing, or the memory will need large amount of space. So better, as RLC or RRC is a 1 byte instruction, we can directly use this instruction 4 times. So now my 03 is becoming this 30 after 4 time rotation. Now simply we can go for add B, and so my data is now 3737. Okay, clear? This is the program for packing. Now let's go for the program of unpacking. Now what you are having? You are having two values, means a single value. Maybe in a register you are having this value 37. What you have to do, from 37 you have to unpack 03 and 07. And how it is possible? Check one thing. 37 means what? That is 0011 0111. This is our 37. This is 3 and this is 7. Now if we AND, all of you know what is ANDing, what is the work of AND gate. The work of AND gate is, what is the work of AND gate? What it is, whenever anything is ANDed with 1, the value will be as it is. If 1 is ANDed with 1, the value is 1. If 0 is ANDed with 1, the value is 0. That means anything is ANDed with 1, the value is same as it is, and anything is ANDed with 0, the value will be 0. So if I AND this, with a value 0000 and then 1111, so what we will get? As this part is ANDed with 0, we will get simply 0, and this part is ANDed with 1, we will get the part as it is. That means from this part we can get 07. But look at this, if I do this, my 37 is not here, it is out. So I have to save 37 for further use, because we need the 3 also separately. So for that we have to save this 37 in another register, so that again we can get this 37. Okay, so what we are having? We are having this. Now this part, this thing, that is something ANDed with 0, is termed as masking. Masking means we are blocking that part, we are making that part 0, that is termed as masking. Okay, so let's go for the programming now. So we have to move 37 at accumulator. Now as I have told you, we have to place the 37 in another one register, so that whenever we are masking it, accumulator value is changing and we can get the value again. So we are moving the value from accumulator to B. We are moving the value from accumulator to B. Now we can mask accumulator. So with what we are masking? 4 zeros and 4 ones. That means that is 0F. 40 means 0, 41 means F. So what we have to do? ANA 0F. So after this, what is the value of accumulator? 07. So we will store it in a memory location. So STA 9051, because I have to store 03 first, then 07. That's why I am storing it in 9051. Next, again we have to take it from B to accumulator. So move A, B. Now again the content of accumulator is 37. Okay, again the content of accumulator is now 37. So what we have to do now, as the content of the accumulator is 37, we have to again mask it. Now we need this 3 part. Look here, if I am explaining you the thing, now we are having 37 means 0011, 0111, and now I need this 3 part. So with which value I have to mask it? We have to make this part 1 and this part 0. We have to mask the second part, so that my final value will come 0011. The 3 part will be there, but the 7 part will be masked. So with which value we have to mask? With the value F0, not 0F. But after masking with F0, the value is not 03, it is 30. So whenever we will get this 30, we have to again rotate it in right side or left side direction 4 times, so that it will become 303 at the place of 30. So that we have to do to get the 3. So what will be my thing after this? Again I have to mask with ANA. Now this time F0. Thanks. So we are getting 03 after this in accumulator. And now what I have to do? I have to rotate right or rotate left. Anything you can do. RRC or RLC. The same answer you will get. As I am using RLC in before program, I am using RRC here. So after this, now the accumulator value is what you have said, that is 03. So now I can go for STA 9050. So at the end the result is stored in 9050 and 9051, that is 03 and 07. This is the program for unpacking, packing and unpacking. I think it is understandable by you, I think. So this is the thing we will use today.